In today's class, we will be learning about metal inert gas welding process. Metal inert gas welding process. This is also known as gas metal arc welding. That is gas metal arc welding. That is GMAW. ये एक फ्यूजन टाइप ऑफ आर्क वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस है जिसमें हीट जो है फ्यूज़न के लिए जो इस्तेमाल होती है वो उस आर्क से स्टेप मिलती है जो कि एक कंटिन्यूसली फेड कंज्यूमेबल वायर इलेक्ट्रोड और वर्कपीस के बीच में इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है। तो उस हीट से ये वेल्डिंग ऑपरेशन होती है। तो ये इलेक्ट्रोड क्या है? कंज्यूमेबल इलेक्ट्रोड है और ये बेयर इलेक्ट्रोड है, लाइक आवर सबमर्ज आर्क वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस है, and it is continuously fed. So therefore this process will also be semi-automatic because this movement of electrode is done automatically, right? Now this wire is continuously fed at a constant rate, and the current used in this process is generally 100 to 500 ampere. Now in this process also you can see the welding torch which we are using is similar to that of which was used in tungsten inert gas welding. So here this electrode is passing through the collet in this welding torch, and here it is connected to the power source. Now in the central region a shielding gas or inert gas is supplied in this welding torch, and this shielding gas, the purpose of this shielding gas is to displace the oxygen present in the vicinity of the weld pool or welding zone, so that a gaseous shield is produced where the joint is to be made, right? And in this process, because of the heat of the arc, the workpiece as well as electrode metal, both of them melt and make the joint. And this process is comparatively fast in comparison to TIG welding because the electrode is continuously fed in this process, and in this process generally reverse polarity is used, and this process is generally used to provide deeper penetration in weld, यानी it can join thick work pieces as well as thin work pieces. इस प्रोसेस में मेटल डिपोजिशन रेट कंपैरेटिवली ज़्यादा अचीव किया जाता है। मैंने ये बताया आपको, ये सेमी ऑटोमेटिक भी होती ही है और ये ऑटोमेटिक भी की जा सकती है अगर ये मूवमेंट भी वेल्डिंग टॉर्च का ऑटोमेटिक बना दिया जाए, यानी अलोंग द लेंथ ऑफ द जॉइंट अगर मूवमेंट भी ऑटोमेटिक बना दिया जाए तो दिस प्रोसेस विल बी फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक। अदरवाइज इट इज सेमी ऑटोमेटिक बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रोड का मूवमेंट ये ऑटोमेटिकली वायर फीड रोल्स के द्वारा होता है, राइट? दिस इज द मोस्टली यूज्ड वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस इन द इंडस्ट्रीज. The equipment used in this process are generally costly and complex and less portable. And in this process also you can see we are not using any flux, and therefore the joint which is produced is very smooth, neat, clean and spatter free.